So please wait, I will share my screen, then we will start. Okay, are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, so to do the or to get the Arduino simulator, okay, or to perform the practical on Arduino simulator, you have to access the website which is called as Tinkercad. Okay, so you have to type Tinkercad. Okay, tinkercad.com, right? Then you have to go start tinkering and sign in, sign in with Google. First, you have to do the sign up. Okay, so which is very easy for you to do the sign up to the Tinkercad, and then you can log in or sign in into this. Others, keep mute yourself. Okay, so after login, you will see this page on Tinkercad. So you have to go to circuits. Okay, where you have to go? Here, just below the 3D design, that circuit, as you have to form a circuit, right? So your already created projects you can see here. Okay, and if you want to create a new circuit, then go to the new circuit. It will take some time. Okay, now it is open. Okay, so now you have to search here your device, that is Arduino. Actually, Raspberry Pi is not available in this, so you have to use another simulator if you have to perform on the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so Arduino Uno R3, that I'm going to select here. It will take some time. Okay, so it is here. You can change its size by zoom in, by doing zoom in and zoom out. Okay, okay, so keep its size as you want, right? So next part you want. Okay, first see what is your practical. Okay, what you have to perform. Okay, so are you able to see this one? This is your practical with Arduino. Okay, so first understanding connectivity of Arduino, with IR sensor. Okay, IR sensor से Arduino को connect करना है, right? उसके बाद write an application to detect obstacle and notify user using LED. ठीक है, तो अपने आप में एक सिंपल छोटा प्रोजेक्ट है. ठीक है, उसमें क्या करना है आपको कि IR सेंसर को Arduino से कनेक्ट करना है. तो IR सेंसर क्या करेगा? दैट इज इंफ्रारेड सेंसर, राइट? जो इंफ्रारेड्स आर दी वेव्स. ओके, एक प्रकार के वेव्स होते हैं, जैसे रेडियो वेव्स होते हैं, माइक्रोवेव्स होते हैं, वैसे ही इंफ्रारेड वेव्स होते हैं. ठीक है, तो जो टेलीविजन का आपका रिमोट है उसका बेस्ट है करते हैं. तो टेलीविजन के रिमोट से जो सिग्नल जाते हैं, ठीक है, सेट टॉप बॉक्स तक या टेलीविजन तक, सो दीज गोज थ्रू दी इंफ्रारेड वेव्स. ओके, सो क्या है यहाँ पे कि अगर कोई चीज उसके बीच में आती है, वो सिग्नल्स के बीच में आईआर सेंसर के करीब आती है, देन यू हैव टू ब्लिंक योर एलईडी. ओके, और ग्लो योर एलईडी, राइट? Blink it or just glow it, no issue. So the user may notify that someone is here near to the our device. Okay, so this is your practical, okay, that you have to perform. So what we require the Arduino Uno device, then type PIR, that is PIR sensor. So select it and drag it in your workplace here. Okay, got it. So this is your PIR sensor. Okay, then you require the LED. Okay, what you require? LED you require. Take simple LED or you can take RGB, that colorful LED. Okay, so we will take simple LED here. This is PIR sensor here. Okay, now we have to connect it, right? Keep mute yourself. If you are having any doubt, then only unmute and ask, right? So here, what is PIR? PIR is a input device. Okay, so you have to make the connections with the Arduino. Okay, like that. See this PIR sensor. The first, there are 3 pins. How many pins you can see in PIR sensor? Here, how many pins are present? How many pins are there?
3.
Yes, there are 3 pins. The first is signal, second is power, and third is ground. Okay, so that ground part you have to connect to the ground. Okay, Got it? Getting it or not? Okay, so the ground part we have connected to the ground. Good morning, madam. Okay, so ground part is to be connected to the ground. Okay, and this signal you have to connect it to the this second one. Okay, so why are connecting it here? Because as I have told you in the previous session that uh, that input devices you have to connect to this part. Okay, input devices to be connected here, and output devices to be connected in this part. Okay, so this is LED. LED is which type of device? Input or output?
Output.
Yes, that LED we will connect here. Okay, so these ground pins are there, -10, -11. So we will use this 12 and 13 pin number to output. Okay, so first we will complete the connection with this PIR. Okay, so where to connect this power pin of PIR? So connect it to the, there is, you can see 5-volt supply. Okay, here. Okay, so this is power pin, so connected to the voltage supply. Okay, got it. So now we have completed the connection of PIR sensor. Okay, now in LED there are two pins. Okay, there are two pins present, that is cathode and anode. So connect this cathode to the ground. Okay, and this anode to connect it to the 12 or 13. Okay, these two are both are available, so wherever you want you can connect it. So I will connect it to the 13. Okay, right. So you completed the LED connection as well and PIR sensor connection as well. Okay, so PIR is our input device here. Okay, it will take input if any obstacle comes near it. Okay, and the LED is the output device. Okay, so it will glow depend upon the PIR sensor. Okay, so if sensor is present there, okay, so then LED will glow, right? So in this way we can completed the connection part. Okay, now we have to do coding. सिर्फ connection करके नहीं होगा. Okay, you require the coding. So why coding is required here? Because that we can understand the whichever obstacle comes near PIR sensor, then LED should glow. Okay, so we have to perform it like coding wise. Code wise you have to perform it. Okay, so click on the code and go to the text. Okay, go to the text, you can continue. Okay, some inbuilt code you will get here. Okay, related to your connection, but you have to change it. Okay, just delete this inbuilt code, we will write our own code. Okay, got it. So there are two functions used, that is void setup and void loop. Okay, so setup में आपको क्या करना है, setup में बताना है कि just 1 second, I'm getting call, just wait. Okay, so we are doing the setup part. सेटअप में आपको क्या करना होता है, जो भी इनपुट और आउटपुट के पिन्स होते हैं उसको आपको डिक्लेयर करना होता है, ठीक है। तो सबसे पहले आपने क्या किया था, मतलब सीक्वेंस इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट बट इट इज बेटर इफ यू गो सीक्वेंस वाइज, राइट। सो पीआईआर सेंसर का इनपुट आपने दिया है 2 पे, ठीक है। सो यू हैव टू सेट दैट पिन मोड, 2 इनपुट पे लिया है, 2 पे क्या दिया है, दैट इज इनपुट, ओके, सेमीकोलन, राइट। देन और क्या दिया है आपने, पिन मोड, दैट इज आउटपुट किस किस पे दिया है आपने, कौन से पिन पे दिया है, जस्ट टेल मी on which connection part you have provided the output pin. Where is your output pin? Is it 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13?
12, 12,
12.
sir.
No, just check it again. Is it
10.
12 or 13? 13, right? So you have to write
Yes,
13
sir.
here. And then you have to type output. Okay. 13 पे है ना, 13 series 1, that is 13, pin mode 13, and you have to write comma output. Okay, so this setup is completed. Okay, right. Then you have to go to void loop. Okay, so in void loop you have to mention those things like if any sensor is, or PIR sensor device senses any obstacle, then it will glow the LED. That part you have to write here. Okay. So you have to take one variable. So I forgot to initialize it. Here you can initialize it as PIR sensor equal to 0. Okay, PIR sensor equal to 0, and declare its data type as well, that is int. Okay, integer PIR sensor equal to 0. Okay, then you have to write here, you have to read that PIR sensor here, that is PIR sensor equal to, ये जो यह वेरिएबल लिया है आपने PIR sensor, इसमें डेटा कब आएगा, जब ये PIR सेंसिंग डिवाइस इसको रीड करेगा। सो डिजिटल राइट, डिजिटल रीड, सॉरी डिजिटल रीड, क्योंकि वो रीड करेगा ना, इट इज इनपुट डिवाइस। सो डिजिटल रीड, and where in which pin it is going to read, tell me the pin number, tell me the pin number.